Good afternoon. This video is intended to quickly go over the use of the inspections tool in Procore for tracking and updating pre-functional checklists throughout the commissioning process. So to start off, quickly go on the inspections tool. You'll see here this project's been set up with all the equipment, locations, and everything in the background. And I'm just going to go through a couple quick features. So number one is anything that can be done on the computer for filters, very similar to how observations are done in Procore, can be filtered through on items such as status, location, trade, template, etc. We do recommend that the type ESD pre-functional inspection is always active. That way you don't get it crossed up with any of the other inspections such as safety inspections or various other inspections being used through the same tool. So this is only for commissioning a pre-functional checklist. When going through, you can quickly sort. You can see that each type of equipment is categorized and filtered through the inspections. You can see current progress between whether or not it's been filled out, and you can see status and due date for those inspections, as well as the assignees. To go in further and make updates, you would quickly go in and you'd click on any one of these inspections. You can then see details for anything included in the setup by the MVP manager, and it will list out any information relevant to that equipment. It'll show you distribution that you can predetermine. It'll give you a contact for the equipment, and then it will also then go through, and as you can see here is a very easy interface for checking off the completion of any item located on a commissioning agent's functional checklist. You can either say complete, incomplete, NA, mark the whole section as NA, etc. And then the very useful section that helps for turnover as well is that while on the iPad, anytime you're in here, you can quickly go into something such as nameplate and submittal data. You can click on this info button, you can click check, and then you can add a comment if you like to clarify, to add a model number, reference number, or a serial number, or you can go in and quickly choose a photo or take a photo. Click save, and then it is currently always logged within this observation and within the inspection tool, so that everything can be then downloaded and exported after the fact for closeout. And the other portion is that anything within an individual item is tracked. So if you have any questions regarding history of status on an item, this is where you would go. And the final feature here is if someone were to say fail, whether it be a strawman representative reviewing, commissioning agent, or anyone else that is back punching, you can create an observation directly from this. And what it does is it automatically pulls in any of the relevant information, location, distribution, assignee based on who the equipment belongs to, and then it will pull in the title of that individual item as the standard title for this observation. You can save, distribute, and add any additional details that you may need. One final portion of the iPad interface that I just want to make everyone aware of is that there is also this signature section within the inspection. This is very useful because if you can coordinate with your commissioning agent that after the trades have completed their checklist and they've noted it's ready for review during the commissioning agent walk, they're able to then review, and then if they're able to sign off on the completion of the checklist, you can quickly go in here and you can add a signature based on your Procore directory login information. So if the commissioning agent's able to come in here and sign off via their signature, it is then tracked through it, and you can then close out items as they are back punched by the representative party. For more information on how to go about this on the computer, there will be a separate video for that. Thank you very much.